Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XPEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards pressure continues on this one, and that's no better seen than this red line here that I put into place in the previous videos. But you can see that the price actually did make an attempted move upwards here on the gap up this morning, and the price actually did get slightly up above that red line. The problem is that didn't last long at all, and down the price went from that area. So more of the story from the overarching standpoint, this trend line here still, completely is relevant moving forward. So I'm just going to get that extended out, and we'll continue to watch that in the downwards direction. I am also just going to get rid of that green line there. It's, it's relevant, but, from an overall context sake and a presentation's perspective, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So like I said, if there is any sort of bounces, it's still all about that trend line right there. And then the other tricky part is, even if the price does break above the trend line, not that far away, you then also have that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So by no means am I saying the price, can never make any sort of reversals. I'm just saying that, given the way the chart is currently set up, the bulls really better bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight only, not only through that trend line right there, but also that 50-period moving average. So those will be the challenging areas to watch moving forward. In terms of levels of support, I'm going to get that line out of the way for now, because the level that's looking like it's got a great chance of coming into play here is that pink line, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average. That's one of those areas where even if you have a basic understanding of charts and technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, it does tend to act as support. And currently that value is, we're just going to call it right there at the $50 mark. So $50 will be that near-term level of support. In the event that level does not quite hold up, then the next key area of support after that would be down here around the $48 mark. So $50 and then $48, next couple areas of support to watch moving forward. But let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.